Hello everyone, I hope you all doing good. So in today's video I'm gonna cut my own hair. Yes, आज मैं अपने बाल काटने वाली हूँ and I don't even have proper things that I need for a haircut. So we are just gonna roll in it. And yes, I had really long hair as you can see pictures and then I cut it. So before we start, you know what to do. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll just section my hair, and well, it took me probably over a month or two to decide if I was really gonna cut it, but it reached a point where I really wanna do it. Okay, not bad. Good start. Please don't be shocked if my hair is little bit uneven. Okay, that's a lot of hair, I know. But if I am not scared, then you guys shouldn't be for me. Also, I am not a professional hairdresser, so don't judge me. I have watched a lot of videos before deciding to cut my hair. So yeah. This whole quarantine I have been thinking about cutting my hair every day. So I'm happy I'm doing it. And yes, I'm going to texturizing it. I am doing it all over my hair to not make it look super blunt, you know. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. But can you see that? This looks cool. I mean, this doesn't look like a non-professional work. Honestly, such a nice feeling to have a short hair again. And yes, I have an unequal parts, but I'll fixing it. But it feels so refreshing, you know, to have a short hair. Honestly, the reason why I did this is hair will grow out anyway. So yeah, it doesn't matter if you do it now. So guys, if you liked this video, then please do not forget to subscribe and to give it a thumbs up and leave some love comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.